Hey guys, we're going to cover a quick thing for pistol squats today. Now, a lot of people think pistol squats is all about training, the pressing leg and the ankle mobility on the pressing leg for you to get up and down in the squat, and that is true. There's a large component of it that is that. But what people seem to overlook is the floating leg, the free leg. Have you ever seen CrossFitters, for example, doing a pistol squat, and when they go down, the legs all out here, or it's all mangled looking? That's because they're struggling with the power in the hip flexor to hold that compression, to hold that leg out nice and straight. So you have a nice pistol squat with a completely parallel to the floor leg. So I'm going to show you a quick little tip to help train that today. And we're going to use, now I'm going to use these weight plates, but you can use, a high step, or like a garden wall, something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into the bottom position of a pistol squat first. So for us, that's this. Proper flexion in the ankle and proper flexion at the hip. Okay, so you're in there. What I want you to do first is just, if you're not able to get down to the bottom position of a pistol squat yet, I want you to hold this position using your hands to help you. So you're going to hold on to whatever it is that you're balancing on, and you're just going to practice lifting the leg off, like so. Okay? Just lift the leg off a couple of times. That's with your hands still being on, just to help you with that little bit of balance. From there we go on to take the hands off. So you're going to get into the balance position first with your hands on. You're going to release your hands, and you're going to do the same again. Okay? So I'm in with my hands on. Okay? Hands come off. Lift the leg up. Lift the leg up. So what you're doing the whole time is you're actually training that compression. You're training the strength in that hip flexor the whole time when your hands are on and off to compress that leg up. It's just because the leg's now bent that you don't have as much weight and struggle. So that's the second step. Step number 3 is we're going to put one hand back on, and you're going to hold the toe of the leg and I practice extending out first. So that's just to help you get that sort of bottom position in the pistol, and so you can get comfortable again and start owning the position. So you're down like this, both hands on, take one hand off and grab your toe. From there, straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. So this is all about getting comfortable. From there, the same thing again, hand off, straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. Just keep working at that until that begins to become comfortable. If you get the bottom position down, the rest will be easy. Well, easier. Building the strength for the pistol squat is just about doing the repetitions and building the muscle and the endurance. That's quite straightforward. It's the mobility and the compression strength that's a little bit trickier. So most movement patterns with the free leg in a pistol squat will be the leg starts here and it'll come out like that and back up. So it goes from straight to horizontal to straight. So we can train that on this. Depending on how high you have your step, you might be able to do it from a straight leg, but if the leg's just out in front, that's absolutely fine. You'd rather be safe. You don't want to go too high. So what we're going to do is we're going to get back into your pistol squat position, so you're nice and comfortable. You're going to put your leg out in front, and you're just going to practice lifting it up and down. That's just like a small section of the leg lift that you actually do as you get into the pistol squat. Hopefully these will help you build up the strength in this floating leg to give you a nice pistol squat. There's hundreds and hundreds of tutorials out there about developing a pistol squat, and I see them all focused around the pressing leg and the ankle mobility. So hopefully this gives you something that little bit extra while you're